Hey everyone, welcome to another recipe video. So today we're going to be making chocolate peanut butter cup banana ice cream, and this recipe only requires 3 ingredients. You'll need either a food processor or a high-speed blender. Today I'm going to be using my food processor. So let's get started. We will start with about 3 to 4 frozen bananas, and you want to chop them up in bite-sized pieces first before you freeze them, so that when you take them out it's easier to blend. Pour that into my food processor. Then you're just going to need a 1/4 cup of cacao powder and another 1/4 cup of powdered peanut butter, such as PB2. So we're just going to throw that in there as well, and then just blend it up. And then once this is done, I will show you what it looks like. Okay. So I blended this up, and you want to get a consistency that's similar to ice cream, just like that. And it should take maybe not more than a minute. It really is a quick recipe. And if you want to add an extra sweetener like stevia to sweeten it up even more, you can. But this really is just pretty sweet as it is if you use really ripe bananas in your recipe. So you want to make sure the bananas are ripe before you freeze them. That way it's going to be really, really sweet when you make the ice cream. All right, let's give it a taste. I tell you, this tastes just like peanut butter cups. Those little Reese's peanut butter cups. That's what this tastes like. And there's no added sugars, and it's pretty much fat-free, and it's healthy, and it's raw vegan. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for future notifications on other videos. And then I'll see you in my next video. Till next time.